not gonna be. I have 140 pounds in your back. No way.
Can you do it?
No, it's going to be difficult, Craig.
What did I say?
Wait, you're doing a knee push-up.
Yeah.
Wait, I gotta get like.
Yeah,
both
John,
my
get off.
knees.
Ah. So,
He's not gonna be able to do it.
I'm not gonna be.
Craig, I know you're used to being on your knees, but
John,
This-
this is good form.
no, your back, your back has to be
ass
complete.
is
There you
all the
go.
way up there.
There you go.
John,
There you go.
Get out.
He's not gonna be able to do it.
Oh, you're done. You're done. Come on, Craig. You're gonna let the camera show you up like that?
fuck you.
I don't
See,
think
like I can do it without
that
it.
guy weighed 90 pounds. He can't do that.
Hey, John, get up. You did my lower back. That's up there. You gotta
I know.
do it up.
That's where Didi sat on me. John, look at John laughing.
Oh, no, I'm kidding.
You almost cracked his nuts, John.
What if Diana tries?
Yeah, Diana.
Anyone lighter? How much do you weigh? Wait, no, that I can't ask her. She's
not
probably
bad.
around 100, right? Maybe not.
Here,
I'm 110.
my chest is just really sore.
Hey, I weigh 115.
Nelson weighs really light.
115.
All right, he's gonna do it.
That's it.
He's a horse. Oh, you can do it.
Hard. Wait, maybe if I try.